Are you looking for the best press-on nails in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best press-on nails that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, 24 sheet long fake nails. These press-on nails are a set of 24 long fake nails. It comes in wine red color and is perfect for full nail coverage. These are also easy to wear with the glue sticker attached to them. You can easily put them on your fingers. The fake nails have been perfectly shaped as they can be worn and different size nails as well. You can also cut them to any size you want to. Moreover, these can be used for any nail fashion as well. You also get the sticker glue attached to the nails. Moreover, you get the nail file with double-sided sticker fake nails. Furthermore, you can remove them easily by dipping your nails in hot water. At number 4, Scented Nail Boutique. This is a kit of nail art which contains 168 pieces of fake nails and nail art items. The nails are scented and come in attractive designs. You can also find nail polish, nail stickers, nail file, nail ring, and nail patches in the kit. Moreover, the nail polish is water-based, and you can peel off it easily. The nail art set is also themed in cute kitten and bulldog. There are 135 nail stickers, 2 water-based nail polishes, 12 scented nail press-on and 20 scented nail patches in the kit. You also get a nail file and ring with the kit. Moreover, the products are kid-friendly, and you can use them safely on your kids too. The experts have also tested as per the safety standards of the product, so there is nothing to worry. At number 3, Pop Nail Glitz 3D Emoji Nail Art Kit. This is a nail art kit for girls, and it contains all the items for a complete nail kit. The kit has a total of 53 pieces of nail decoration items. There is 3D press-on nails, nail stickers, nail file, and also a nail ring. Moreover, the nail art kit is themed for emojis and has different themes such as rhinestones, googly eyes, and much other funny themed nail press-on. You can use these nails for 5 days, so no need to create a mess with your nails. Moreover, you can also reuse them later. You get 23D nails, 31 nail stickers, and even a nail file and ring with the kit. This kit is safe for use on children and is suitable for children who are older than 5 years. It is definitely one of the best press-on nails to buy for your daughters. At number 2, 24 PCs 12 sizes solid color fake nails. This is a set of 24 pieces of fake nails. This press-on style fake nail set comes in a stunning black color. You can use it for 5 days and also reuse it after that. The acrylic technology of the product gives it durability. Moreover, the package comes with nails, glue stickers, and a mini file. The 24 nails also come in 12 different sizes so they can fit in any nail size. You can wear these fake nails in case of any home or professional use. You also need not spend more time to wear these nails. The nails are very safe to use, so you do not have to worry about it. Moreover, it is very easy to remove the nails too. At number 1, 24 PCs 12 different sizes false nails. This is a set of long and full cover false nails. The pack contains 24 nails in 12 different sizes. You do not have to worry about the different sizes of your nails as they come in different sizes. You can also easily apply the false nails as they come with glue stickers. Moreover, you get a mini file with the nail set as well. It is one of the most beautiful and best press-on nails to have. You can also design your own nails using these false nails. You can easily use these nails for home as well as professional use. These nails pass through acrylic technology, so they are durable and are long-lasting. Moreover, they are safe to use on your natural nails as well. They last for 5 days, and you can also reuse them afterward. You can also remove the nails very easily. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.